Welcome back to Form Fixer, Train Smarter, Lift Stronger, and today we're going to be breaking down the overhead press. This is one of the best exercises for building shoulder strength, but it's also one that's easy to get wrong. From leaning back to improper elbow positioning, small mistakes can add up to big problems over time. And in this video, I'll show you how to fix the top 3 overhead press mistakes so you can press safely and effectively. Let's get those shoulders strong with perfect form. So here's common mistake number 1, leaning back. And this is a problem because leaning back puts strain on the lower back and shifts focus away from the shoulders, reducing effectiveness and increasing injury risk. And so what you want to start with is bracing your core. You want to engage your core as if preparing to be pushed in the stomach, and this helps stabilize your torso and prevents leaning. Next up, you want to squeeze your glutes. You want to tighten your glutes to keep your pelvis aligned, creating a strong, stable base. You lastly want to keep your ribs down. Focus on keeping your ribs down and stacked over your hips, avoiding flaring as you press. So now, common mistake number 2, improper elbow position. Incorrect elbow positioning, often flared too wide or tucked too close, can limit shoulder activation and cause joint strain. So what you want to do is you want to align your elbows under your wrists. So you want to start with your elbows directly under or slightly in front of your wrists to optimize shoulder engagement. You then want to have a slight forward angle. Keep your elbows slightly forward, not flared out, as you press upward to stay in a safe, strong range of motion. You then want a grip width check. Ensure your hands are positioned shoulder width apart. Too wide or too narrow affects elbow alignment and stability. So lastly, common mistake number 3, lack of full range of motion. This is a problem because stopping short of full extension limits shoulder development and can lead to muscle imbalances. So you're going to want to press fully overhead. You're going to drive the bar all the way up until your arms are fully extended and in line with your ears. So you're also going to want to lock out with control. Reach a controlled lockout position at the top without using momentum, ensuring stability at full extension. Also, avoid shrugging. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears to stay stable and avoid unnecessary neck strain. Thanks for tuning in to Form Fixer, Train Smarter, Lift Stronger. And now that your overhead press form is on point, you're set to build safer, stronger shoulders. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and drop a comment with any other exercises you'd like to see in the Form Fixer series. Let's keep lifting smarter together. See you in the next video.